Hello everyone, it's Frances with Your Book of Memories. I've created an easy fall mini album. This one I cannot wait to show you. Welcome back everyone. Thank you so much for joining me for this quick project share. I created an easy mini album, which I already actually have the class available on my website, and I'll leave it as a link down below. Oh my goodness, this is so much fun. I just cannot believe I did use Mintay papers. The packaging's gone, but it's Cozy Evening, designed by Corolla. Okay, wonderful artist, beautiful paper, and I only used half the pack, and it comes as 12 sheets. So oh my goodness, I fussy cut around this on the frame. I popped the whole unit up. And I do have a little guy that comes out. You can put your photo on there, and it's just so unbelievably simple and easy to make. If you've never made one before, this is definitely one you can do. Look at the gorgeous leaves. I can't get over it. The teals are just unbelievable. Right here, I do have the Dollar Tree little lace. I always like to stock up on it when I see it. Oh my goodness. So right here on the front inside cover, I did do a little cluster of those little images you can fussy cut out, and a couple stash roses. I did use my wonderful art glitter glue to attach all these little guys, and of course, I left them open, and a bunch of 4x6, no cropping necessary, photos can fit in here. I got my journaling lines going kind of crazy there. And then that reveals this awesome little angle pocket, and it's a little flap behind it, so how cute is that? Oh my goodness, I'm just in love. Okay, a little bit of macrame. You got portrait and landscape photos throughout here, a little acorn. And of course, you know me, I can't help myself with the chalk marker and journaling pen, so also this comes out of its little sleeve. Super adorable. And you could fit even front and back photos on that little mat if you wanted. And I do have a coupon going on right now for fall, so the code is Fall in Love with Yourself, all caps. I'll have all the details down below. 25% off a single class if you were questioning. So you can get that deal right now. And that includes my newest tutorial. So it would be wonderful to have you join us. It's an amazing community of just beautiful, like-minded people, and we're just having so much fun. Right here, we can just slap a photo on there. Look how cute. Got the little pumpkin. Beautiful pumpkin patch photo area right there. And then you just flip it over. You got little knitting needles. Oh my goodness, the yarn. It's just too cute. Again, we just have photo space in here. Look how cute the wood grain is. I'm astounded right now. I'm blown away. And then right here, we have the envelope punch board notch right there. Take this out of the little sleeve here. And, okay, iridescent paper. Okay, super trippy. Love it so much. And the little dog on the back. How adorable. Again, if you've thought to subscribe, you can actually gain access to every single tutorial I've ever created in my career instantly. And you can just browse and choose which one you want to do. Awesome little fussy cut leaves right there. Wonderful spot for photos. And I've got the twine right here, and I don't think I mentioned it, but the spine has this cute little crochet yarn, little pom-pom dealio. It's like a bow. Super adorable. And right here, got a little brad. And you know what? I want to quickly share with you this amazing artist I had the pleasure to meet over the summer. His name's Roger, and he has a Redbubble account, so he's an individual artist, and he makes all these beautiful little things here. I mean, look at this gorgeous artwork. Okay, now his message is to be kind to yourself and embrace our differences. So if you want to support an individual artist out there, his name is Roger, and I'll leave his link down below. T-shirts, water bottles, phone cases, you name it, and he designs these all on his own. And he's just one of the most kind people I've ever met, and his message really touches my heart. If you want to give that a check out, go ahead and take some time to do so. So that just kind of swings to the side as you saw, and this kind of swings back closed to keep that whole area intact, okay? I didn't want a mat right here because I felt that chalk marker can shine, so that's what I did here. Oh my goodness, love that leather colored paper. I fussy cut around this. Now in the tutorial, I also demonstrate how to do these things. How to add this when, let's say, there aren't any cut aparts to your paper collection, and what you can do to spice up your book. Okay, beautiful. Absolutely love this. I'm getting thirsty now, just thinking about that. If you've never seen one of my classes before, after after this walkthrough, I'll be playing a trailer of what the class looks like so you can kind of get an idea if it's something you can learn from. Beautiful, another angle pocket here, and a cute little birdie. I'm in love, and I'm just so grateful for you all. I've just been meeting so many wonderful and beautiful people. I just can't believe it. Oh my goodness, and again, if you want to be notified for all those coupons that I'm talking about every month, if you follow me on Facebook or Instagram, I post when a coupon comes out. Oh my goodness, look how cute. Again, another iridescent strip here and some chalk marker. And you can even stuff some of the cut-aparts in here if you wanted, and we got all the beautiful folded throws and blankets. I'm just amazed. And you can also do some journaling lines there as well. How simple is this? Thank you everyone so much for joining me for this quick project share. Again, this is my easy mini album class. Anyone can do this, and I want you to remember that even though it looks complicated, just a few steps and you're going to be totally on your way. This came together in one day. Thank you everyone so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye. Hi friend, it's wonderful to be here with you. Welcome to the Easy Mini Album class. I am so excited to show you how to build this one. A pencil for labeling, a scoring tool of some kind just for some accurate scoring. I have a chalk marker here for some journaling lines as well as a journaling pen. Acetate sheets right here, 8.5 by 11. And I also have 8.5 by 11 lightweight white cardstock. Beautiful collage, and then the back of that looks like this. Awesome. And then the new page right here, we got that pretty house, a little hat, and some, wow, horse up in the corner. Now I want to mention that there's a stiff side to medium weight chipboard, and then there's more of a wobbly, bendy side. The straighter the tape, the straighter the guide. Lay it on as good as you can. Be easy on yourself. This is handmade. And you can put as many or as few strips of this adhesive as you'd like, and of course, use whatever favorite adhesive it is that you like. Now you'll notice that this is horizontal, and this tiny little piece of paper goes at an angle. That's exactly what we want. And then once you have it, you kind of just work your book a little bit because paper's flexible. And there you have it. We just need one piece, 1 3/4 by 5 1/4. I think this guy will work. I'm just gonna cut him down. This one's going to be lined up with the 5 1/4 inch side along the top and simply scored at 1/2 inch. So you'll notice there's this protruding side and then the indented side. I like to fold toward that bumpy side of the score mark, and that's also where the bumpy side of the score marks are facing the work surface. I've got my 1/4 inch right here. Very simply, you just go from the score mark, cut outward. Let's get him, tuck him back, and line him up near that crease of the paper where the score mark is. We're going to center him in. You can put him up or down or however it goes. But it's this score mark that's furthest to the left. This one's going to be a lengthwise photograph. So that'll go like that. I'm going to be sticking it top left corner. So now for the band, it's going to be a total of 2 pieces, 1 1/2 by 4 1/2. So I'm going to use this